I'm cooking nilaga. This is I've been boiled this meat for almost an hour to make it tender. See how tender it is? It's almost an hour. And I put a whole onion in it while I'm boiling the meat. Not even half of taste black pepper. And I'm gonna put half taste of salt, and you always can taste it if enough for everything. I'm gonna put a little patis. This is fish sauce. And I also gonna put some nor cube. This is pork flavor. And then this is chopped potatoes. Favorite veggie. This is bok choy. Bok choy. I'm gonna put cabbage. Chinese cabbage is very veggie, but this is gonna be going down after the juice boiling. I'm gonna put just a little bit. Very yummy.